Assalamualaikum and hi, represent to our panel. Today we are going to present about our final year project. Before we are going more deep, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fizul Hakim bin Muhammad Isa. So now let we move to our presentation. Okay. Firstly, introduction. Now we are about to moving into Industry Revolution 4.0. Logistic industry must follow the marketing trend by using online marketing. In 90s era, we are use phone just for call and message. But nowadays, the technology more advanced, which is we can use the phone for call, message, and even can online shopping. Based on our study and research, we develop an application that we call as truck advertisement application. This application developed for truck service provider to advertise their service, use online marketing. We provide the service to transporter that deliver the cargo outstation to back with load.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ruhilmi, and now I want to present about background research. From our research, information technology communication or ICT is a technology that empowers the gathering, management, manipulation, attainment, and information communication of the enumerable form. In this era of ICT and globalization, technology has grown rapidly. Thus, an alternative technology-based problem-solving solution can now help the company run smoothly with the management activities. The application will be developed in line with the rapid development of technology. Then, the departure ideology of the department vehicle with the suggestion to use the management technology based on this application has been named Truck Advertisement Application.
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Lukman Haris bin M. Kamaruddin. I'm from Polytechnic Metro Johor Bahru. My metric number is 30DLS17F2018. Okay, today I want to share about the problem statement of this project. The problem statement of this project, based on our research, we found out most companies deliver the cargo station but not return load. But when they use these apps, the company can bring the loads when they return. Next, the consumer difficult to get truck to deliver the cargo station. After that, companies still use old way to booking truck and find truck availability. But when the consumer use these apps, we can help the consumer to get truck and deliver the cargo to the station. We also can help the companies to booking truck easily and find truck availability when the consumer or company use these apps. Okay, next objective. The objective of this project focus in improving information technology in logistic industry. During our research, we found out that consumer difficult to find the truck service provider and transporter still using manual way to find customer. It's very hard and very difficult to find way while using the manual way. We do this app because we want to provide service to transporter to advertise their service by using our application. This application is easily to the consumer to find the customer. It's also to ease the consumer to find the truck service provider with the best rate and the best service. Okay, next, the research scope. The research scope of this project is the study was conducted on the transport service of goods that deliver the cargo around Peninsular Malaysia, which is the target of this project comprises transporter companies who return to point of origin without any load from delivery point. But when the company or consumer use these apps, we can help. They bring they bring a goods when they return. After that, With the convenience of the application service, company can order trucks to send the goods. Yes, when you use these apps, we can help you to booking very easy to booking trucks to send the goods.
Next is importance of research. The common practice in the organization to use form is required before using vehicles. Before making reservation a vehicle, the employee will fill the manual form and send it to the top person to confirm. Sometimes the employer is absent from the office for confirmation because of external affair. So the employee take a long time to wait for a confirmation from the superior. These projects aim to reduce time by using technology. It is very convenient and more effective for custom workers to book vehicle before using it. The importance of this study is to change the procedures used today. From this study, it can be distinguished through the use of written paper and the use of simpler and more effective application system. This project also aims to reduce wastage of cargo space. The next slide is theory. First thing is application. Application is a software program or group of program designed for end users. The second one is information technology in transportation. Information technology gives the positive impact in logistic industry, especially in transportation. The last one is smartphone. The existence of smartphone has also changed our life from using paper as it once sent a letter to a friend and now just use the messaging service or WhatsApp to friends by using the only internet.
Now we are moved to interface flow. This is how our application look like. Okay, firstly, registration flow. Before using the application, the user need to register first before use the application. The application easy to register. Firstly, tap the sign up button. Then the user need to fill in all the personal information as stated. After finish registration, user can start use the application. Okay, now we move to promote service flow. This choice provide to service provider to advertise their service in our application. At this stage, the user need to tap promote service. Then it will appear all the information that need to fill up by service provider. The user need to choose their type of truck, then the current truck location and where the point of origin the truck. The user also need to fill in truck dimension, available time and date and truck weight. Last step, user need to fill in the company name, contact number and email to easy the consumer to contact. After finish fill in the information, truck availability will show at our application. So that's all for step promote service flow. Thank you. Okay, now search truck flow. This platform provided to consumer to search truck availability. The user need to choose type of truck, then wait date, when to deliver, from where to where. Then after finish fill in, the user can choose the truck service provider. We provide choice to our consumer to choose best service provider with the best.
Furthermore, we are going to talk about the data collection from respondent. Truck going association frequently and really can be read in a pie chart. 55% are from the more than once and the other rest is 45% once a week. And get return order frequently. The diagram shows that never reach 33% and sometimes 30%, often 27%, and quiet often 10%. This can be shown as a data respondent. And the last one, we will talk about the method that used to get the written order. This is how our customer reach or contact us during the orders. As we can see from the emails, there are about 13 and phone call about the 33, and the higher peak they mostly use WhatsApp, which is 43%, and the other ways about the 3% frequently. Thank you very much.
Now for recommendation and conclusion. First thing is travel time. Travel time is relates the time consumed in using the transport. This include of delay time, waiting time and on vehicle time taken. The time is essential that make affect the human activity as a whole. In order to reduce wasting time, the exist of book chart make the staff easily book the vehicle without waiting time to verify by using vehicle by the superior. Next is innovation of system in organization. Business need innovation in order to keep up with competitors. It is essential to get one step ahead. Innovation could come in the form of marketing. It also could be through promotional initiative in the marketing plan, staff training, and welfare. Embracing new technology is the best way to keep up with technological advancement. A lack of innovation can pose a serious risk of growing business. No innovation will cause a company to remain boring. The company will become dull, stagnant, and irrelevant. The next one is application to book vehicle. One of the recommendation for improve to book vehicle is by improve the method to book the vehicle. Application that used by the user can easily find the vehicle. The function of the app is to make order the vehicle organized. The user and driver also will be aware on the notification so that they can arrange their time without miss the customer. And lastly is design Android application for transport. Nowadays, everyone needs technology in their day-to-day work. Mobile technology can now facilitate work but reduce the workforce as the latest technology makes the job efficient and more effective. Application like truck advertisement application can facilitate workers to book vehicle easily and quickly without taking long time. In addition, the application can simplify the procedure for booking a vehicle.